Just a quick video about this piece of crap Samsung Galaxy Z3 Flip. Now, bought this about 11 months ago, under guarantee for 12 months, extended the warranty, so it's got 2 years guarantee, so it's still well within the guarantee. And July this year, 2024, so about 3 weeks ago, opened this phone and there's a little black mark about here in the corner, and if you can see, this mark has spread. It's like ink. It just looks like ink which is all over the screen, which obviously says the screen is damaged. Now this phone, if you look at it, there's no drop marks, nothing. It's never been dropped. It was in a case. I bought a case for it to look after it. Now before I went on holiday to do a bit of vlogging in Malaysia, there's more videos to come about that as well, so don't forget to check them out. We sent the phone off because the company asked for pictures of the phone, so we sent pictures. Then they asked to send the phone to them for repair, so we sent the phone to them to be repaired. Got back from holiday today, which is May 23rd, 2024, and had the phone come in this box in a bag. Now this is the company called UR. That's a U, letter U and a letter R. They are by UR Limited, 11 to 15, Lancaster Fields, Crewe, Cheshire, CW, I think that's 1 or I, 6FF, and the website is ur.co.uk. And sometimes the company is just called UR. It might be the reverse on the camera, I'm guessing it may be. So, this company, they asked for us to send the phone back to them after we took pictures, which we did. They asked if the phone had been dropped. Obviously the phone has not been dropped. It's been put in a case, it's been looked after, and it's been working perfectly fine for about 11 months. Perfectly fine. Until this black dot was here where it folds. Now this black dot got bigger, so it's obviously some kind of ink or something, I don't know, so I'm not an expert in phones. But you can see it's just completely knackered, and that is just spreading. You can't do anything with the phone at all. You can just turn it on, that's about it. See, no marks on the phone, look. But this is what they returned. They didn't give any explanation. They didn't send any emails. They didn't send a letter with the phone to say why they hadn't repaired it, why they hadn't exchanged it. Now, they turned around and says, because we had to get in contact with them, so we phoned them today. They turned around and said, oh, it was returned because there should have been a screensaver on the phone. Well, this phone is how it came. We haven't taken anything off, and the only thing I put onto it is a phone case, which I had to take off to send back to them. So they said because the screensaver, you know, them plastic screen things, you know, or glass, whatever they are, that go onto the phone to protect the screen, because that isn't there, they said their phone is not under guarantee, so they can't replace it or fix it because of a screensaver. Now the phone didn't come with a screensaver. This is the way they sent it. I mean, I've got no reason to lie. I mean, I didn't ask for a new phone. I didn't ask for an upgrade. I just asked them to repair the phone because it's under guarantee. It hasn't been dropped. There's nothing been taken off the phone. It hasn't come with a screen screen saver. It's a total sham, and this company is a complete and utter scam. It really is. So I just want to make you all aware of UR, right? That's the name of the company, or they go by the name of BuyUR, which is BUYUR Limited. 11 to 15 Lancaster Fields, Crewe, Cheshire, CW1, I think it's 6FF, or the website is ur.co.uk. Now, don't buy any electrical items off them, don't buy any phones off them, because if anything happens to your phone, they will make up some bullshit excuse, and this is what it is a bullshit, lame excuse. There was no screensaver on the phone. That's not my fault. This is the way they sent me the phone. Then they tell me, because the screen is faulty, and with these Samsung flip phones, particularly the earlier ones like this, there's I think they're on the Z6 now, but this is a Z3. There is a fault where it actually bends in the middle there. Now you can see where all the plastics like rose up. That wasn't there before. That's only happened since this kind of leakage or whatever it is has started to spread across the screen. And I spoke to them today, sent them more pictures, which they asked for. Then they've just sent an email, said they can't replace it because there wasn't a screen saver, a screen protector on the phone. Now, a screen protector on a phone isn't mandatory, even with these phones, and there's nothing in their contract to say that you have to have a screen protector on this phone. This company, right, are, well, they're criminals because they're just taking money off people. They're not doing what they say they would. And even in here it says complete the circle, right? So love it, use it, return it. So even if you want to return it, you know, it's ridiculous. Then they put these stickers on. I presume these stickers mean something to them. But this is what you get with them. They just refused, point blank, to change it or repair it. Now, like I said, I didn't ask them for a change of phone. I didn't ask them for an upgrade. All I asked for was for them just to repair the phone like they should have done, under guarantee. And their lame ass excuse is that there's no screen protector on it. I'm sorry, but that's bollocks, innit? And I'm sorry for the language, but what a freaking joke. What a bunch of binger heads. What kind of binger head says, oh, we can't do anything with the phone because there was no screen protector on it? Now, I spoke to people at phone shops, and I spoke to people that have had these, and a couple of people have had the same problem. So there is a fault with the phone. So this company is talking complete nonsense. So check it out. I mean, and please do share this video if you can. Like it, subscribe to the channel, and if I find out any more information, then I'll get back to you. But I need to let people know, because I don't see why other people should go there wasting their hundreds of pounds or whatever you want to pay just to get ripped off. It's a scam company, a complete scam. I mean, because they sell, this is a reconditioned phone, right? And it's under guarantee. So they're fully aware that something could go wrong with it. And there's a fault with these. And it didn't start leaking from the corners or the sides. It just started in the middle here, where the crease is. I mean, you can see it there yourself. And you can see the phone hasn't been dropped. It's in great condition. No marks. Total lies from this company. Really, really petty, lame, bullshit excuse as to why they shouldn't change a phone, or at the very least repair it. And like I said, I only wanted them to repair it. That's all I asked for, is a repair. I didn't say to them, oh, you know what, this is a Z4 or a Z3, I want to see Z4 or a Z5 or a Z6 that were on there. I haven't asked for that. I've just asked them to repair the phone. That's under guarantee. And their stupid excuse was the screen protector wasn't on it when it was returned. They never sent it out with a screen protector. This company, honestly, they will rip you off. Do not buy anything from UR phones. UR or buy UR Limited. BUYUR Limited. Complete bullshitters. I mean, seriously, you know, you can't do anything with it. It's completely wrecked. It's their job to change it, and they've refused to do it. Even after sending them 2 lots of photos to prove what was wrong with it, actually sending them the phone so they could repair it. It's just another one of them scams where they'll do anything they can not to return, not to repair the phone, not to refund you. They'll do anything they can and make up any lame excuse. Do not buy from these people, right? They're scam artists. They really are. Comes in this stupid little ass box as well, right? It's just pathetic. Love it, use it, return it. Really. This place is a joke. So whatever you do not buy anything from this company. They are a joke. You're just going to get ripped off. They are a scam company. They're not worth bothering with. Save your money and go and spend it elsewhere, because don't spend it with these wankers, because they're complete jokers. You know, just ripping people off like this. It's just, you know, you pay money in good faith, and if something's wrong, you expect it to be fixed. Especially when you're paying for a guarantee, or you've got a guarantee which comes with it for a year, and you take another guarantee out on top to make sure that you're covered for 2 years. And they still won't do what they're meant to do. And that's at least, the very least, and that's all I asked for, was for them to fix the damn phone, which is their responsibility. So don't buy from these. Just don't buy from them. You're going to get scammed. Just don't buy from them. Jokers. Peace, people. I'll catch you all in the next one. I've got a few videos from Malaysia, so I'm going to upload them when I get time. But I have got a few on the old laptop already lined up, so they'll be on the way. So look out for them. See what you can do. But don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and hit the notifications button. Subscribing is totally free, and it helps me. So nice one, people. Laters.